Hey, it's Seth Jagger here from Styles Machinery, and today we're going to be looking at this powerTouch controller, which is on this HOMAG S-380 edge bander. We're going to be going over some of the general features and how easy it is to use this controller. So for example, you can see this is my main screen and it is touch screen. If I were switching over from, let's say, a 1mm edge band to a 3mm edge band, very simple. I click my program drop down. I simply scroll down until I find the 3mm program. It loads it. It's going to adjust all my stations accordingly. And then I hit the accept button, which will start the machine up. And then I'm going to be able to feed boards. So it's very simple. Next, let's talk about how simple it is to start warming up the glue pot. So right now the glue pot's off. Just to begin warming up the glue pot, click over into the black area. This is what we call the soft key screen. It's a quick access screen with different toggling options. Here we can see right hand application unit. I could switch it from an off to a standby or a mid-range temperature, or directly to on. So right there we've now initialized the warm up on this glue pot. It's begun to heat up. We can see the yellow light there underneath gluing ready is now illuminated. And if we return back to this main screen, I can then monitor to see what temperature my glue's at. I do that by coming over to switch view, right into glue temperatures. So here's where all my glue parameters are stored. So you can see I have my settings over here, my run temperatures, and then I have my readouts, what I'm actually at right now at this moment. We can see we're still warming up and the glue pot is currently at 60 degrees Celsius. We won't be able to run the machine until that reaches 180 degrees Celsius as defined there. So very simple. We'll pull back to the main page. So let's go into our soft keys area once again. You can see I have AirTech nozzle 1 right. We're going to go ahead and select that. That'll begin warming up this unit. Now at first it's going to tell us, hey, we need to have our feed track on before this unit begins to warm up. So let's go ahead and turn the feed track on here. You can see the message disappears. But now what if I want to understand where I'm at temperature-wise before I can run? Let's go back to our main screen. So what we're going to do is go back down to switch view, AirTech this time instead of glue temperatures. You can see we have our settings on our left, temperature of the heating element, and air pressure at the nozzle. And then we have our readouts. So we have the heating element and then our airflow readout, as well as air pressures and volumetric flow of the unit. So I won't be able to run until this reaches 560 degrees Celsius. What's going to happen is this unit's going to overshoot and then it's going to float back down. So we have precise control of the temperature that we're using. So to turn this unit back off, what we're going to do, we'll return to main screen, back into our soft keys. We'll then deselect the AirTech unit, and now we can turn feed track off, and we're all done. For more information, please visit stylesmachinery.com. Thank you.